how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do that. So first of all, open your browser, Chrome or whatever browser you'd like to use. Then open Google Maps, and then go to the search and type the United States like that in here, and then we will find a state, or we will zoom in the United States to choose the city we're going to use in this tutorial, and you're going to choose the city you're going to stick to. Check all of their small businesses, reach out to them, reach out to the ones that you can see potential in them, and I'm going to show you how you can find the ones with potential and the ones that you don't need to bother yourself with. So here, let's move on to Kansas, for example. Let's focus on Kansas in here. Let's go to Kansas City, for example. Here, let's zoom in. Here we have Kansas City. Zoom in with that. Then go to the search again, and let's type, for example, hair salons as a business, small business we are going to look for. So here, let's type hair salon, and let's see what are all the hair salons that are available in the area. So here we have a lot of hair salons, which means a lot of prospects. So as I said before, I'm going to show you how you can recognize the best small businesses that has more potential to work with you than the others. So first of all, make sure always to check the reviews. If they have more than 150 reviews, that means they are way more out of our league. And if they have less than 150, that means they are the best prospects for us. And also keep attention to the sponsored written in the top of the profile. Make sure they don't have a sponsored written in there. That means if they have sponsored written in there, that means they have someone taking care of their marketing in Google Maps, which means someone doing the same job that we want to offer them. So just make sure to avoid those. So let's start with this one. For example, here, let's check their profile, and the first thing we are going to check in their profile is their website, if they have one or not. If they have one, we can check the website if it needs any renovation. If not, that means we can offer them the service of creating a website for them. And by scrolling down, so now the first service we are going to offer this business is building their website. And if you scroll down here, we're going to look for the bad reviews. If they have any bad reviews, we are going to offer them the service of removing the bad reviews as well. So let's scroll down to see if we can find a 1-star review or a 2-star review, for example. So here, let's wait for it to load. Then we are going to scroll down to see. Here we have a 3-star review. It came in on a Sunday 2 weeks and 2 days ago. Last minute and last appointment of the day, I explained what I wanted, and of course walked away with something completely different. All he kept saying is that we couldn't go any shorter than what he did because my hair was so fine. At the end, he said he couldn't do much more with it, handed me a mirror and asked if I like it. My fault, I said yes. I just didn't know what to say to someone who is telling me they can't do what I asked for. I've had shorter cuts before and my hair looked great. He cut it really fast and for 15 minutes of work and a type of I didn't ask for. I don't know that I would come back to pay $50 again. So this is somehow a bad review, but I think the fault is on the client, because when they got asked if they liked the haircut, they said yes. So it's not that big of a deal. So we can't just take this as a bad review. We will need to find another one, and this is the response from the owner. I'm sorry, Vika, that you are unhappy. First, I cut your hair on January 15th, and now is 3 weeks past. When I finished, I gave you the mirror and turned you around, and you said fine. You could have called me right away or next day, or you could have come to cut it more for you, and now you are waiting page long. After 3 weeks, you still welcome to come back and cut your hair more without charge. Thank you. So I think that bad review was straightened away. We need to find something else that we can count on in order to convince this business owner to purchase our service, which is removing the bad reviews. You have now just one service to offer them, which is building a website for them. And guys, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can deliver those services to the clients without even having the skill to do it, or without knowing how to do that. You just need to go to fiverr.com here, which is a platform where you can find various kinds of freelancers which will deliver those services for you for a small portion of money. So here, for example, you can offer the website building for this business for at least $150. So you can get paid $150 in order to build them a website. And if you go to fiverr.com and you go to the search, you type website in here, and you click on search, and you go to the search results. Here we can find someone who can do the website creation for $80, for example, and you will be left with $70 without even learning the skill of creating a website, and without even going through creating a website ourselves, just for connecting between the business owner and the freelancer. So I think that's a great business model, because if you multiply the same method to 5 or 6 small businesses, you will be left with way more money than what you could make in a month or 2 months. So I think with the idea, guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.